So I've got behind me here the first Rampage deck with graphics on it. Check it out. Here we go. Oh, yes. Lunchtime with China Southern Air. We've got beef and rice here. Guess hold the beef on that. 找到了吗？没回你。So I came back to the counter and I heard her on the phone saying 找到了, which means you found it, you found it. And then her face got less excited, and apparently they found everybody else's luggage from that flight that was delayed, but mine. So she told me to keep calling them, and no luggage so far. What a nightmare. I'm wearing the same clothes, same 2 shirts for the past 7 days, so gotta find some new clothes here pretty soon. Getting stinky. Fast? Yeah. Just in the elevator of the office now. I have never been to this office before, our Shanghai office. We had another one last time I was here. And there's some new people here I haven't even met yet. Haven't seen Gene, one of my employees, in almost 2 years, so this should be exciting. Hello. What's up? Hello. 好久不见了。你怎么样？来了，金。哎呀，妈呀，我都1年多没见你了。1年多吧。FLX bike here. Hey, Gene.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's good. Welcome to China.
Thank you, Gene. Maverick, where are we going?
I don't know. Roof.
The roof?
Yeah.
I'm gonna teach you guys something, okay? In English. But you have to stand together so I can see you both.
Okay.
You say the roof.
The roof.
说两遍 the roof. The roof.
The roof.
The roof.
然后最后一次 the roof is on fire.
The roof is on fire.
Yeah, one more time. The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire.
The roof.
The roof.
The roof is on fire.
Yeah. Awesome. Wow. That's nice.
The roof. The roof. The roof is on fire.
Yeah. Check it out. This is the rooftop of our little office here in Shanghai. So cool. Look at that view. Look who just turned up. What's up, man? You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Tim. I just bike for 1 hour to Shanghai. It's very busy.
Wow, he's all out of breath. He's on the blade right now.
Yes.
Nice. It took you an hour to get here?
Yeah, I live in Jinghu district.
No way. Wow. Do you ride every day to work?
Often, it's faster than the subway.
Damn.
The subway takes me an hour and a half. Not
Dude,
just 1 hour.
great to finally meet you in person, bro.
Yes.
I'm stoked. You ready, Gene?
Ready?
Just here at dinner, check it out. Hey. Here you go. Here I go. Gene, you don't have anything to drink.
Water.
Alright, you can do Kumbe. Cheers!
Cheers. How much time? Yeah.
Yeah. So Gene did us the favor of ordering sheep's penis. You get to take the first bite. Let's see it, Gene. You have to tell us how it tastes.
Tastes like some soft bone.
Soft bone. Yeah, soft bone. Not hard. Let's eat some penis together. Give me a piece of that penis. Don't leave me out of this party. Alright, cheers. Cheers. Did you already eat it? Damn, Maverick, you're going south on the penis, aren't you? You couldn't wait for us to eat the penis, could you? That's not the worst penis I've had in my mouth.
That's good, but it feels great.
It tastes good but feels great. Alright, Gene, nice to see you.
See you tomorrow and tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Thanks for dinner.
Hi, Gene.
Thanks for your dinner.
Just finished that dinner with the Shanghai crew here and got to figure out where to sleep tonight in Shanghai. It's a bit expensive here. I also need to go early morning to Wuxi, which is where some of our factories are. So maybe instead of bunking here in Shanghai, I'll just get a late night train, head over there, see what happens when we get there, try to find a hotel, smash it out. So gotta get the motorcycle back to the office, drop my stuff off, grab my other stuff, and then head out in time for that train. Let's do it. So I just got a taxi back to the office here, and on the way was chatting with the driver. Super cool. His name's Steven. What's up, man? Sorry, so bright.
Hi.
So Steven here said the train station's really close. So went and dropped off my stuff, grabbed my backpack, booked a train ticket on the phone. This is super cool. You could book tickets right on WeChat. They're like local chat app. Costs about 10 bucks to go to another city. Super cool. So Steven's gonna take us over there right now, and we get this show on the road. That's it, Shanghai Station. All right, brother.
Bye-bye.
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 See you later, bro. So buying a ticket is really easy right on the phone. Getting that ticket, not so easy. I always have trouble with this. They do have all these machines where you can pick up your tickets, but it only works if you have a Chinese ID card. So just went into the train station. They told me I've got to go around the whole roundabout, across the street to another office to pick up the ticket with the passport. So getting over there right now. Let's do it. Tired. I don't know if you guys can hear me now. It's so loud in here, but for the folks that want to get out and travel and can't do it, I hope you do. But if you're just in a position where you can't, enjoy that. I'm pretty jealous of you right now. Grass is always greener. I wish I wasn't running around. I wish I could just stay in one place right now. But you know, gotta do what you gotta do. Enjoy what you have and the resources you've got. Make the most of that. I can't wait to get home and sleep in my own bed and clean clothes and eat some Mexican food again. So that's all I got. Train's coming soon here, hopefully. See ya. So I've been turned down by 4 hotels so far. Also a massage place that lets you sleep there. Nobody wants to let foreigners stay there. It's the law here. They have to have some special registration or something. Apparently nobody's got that. So trying to figure that out. Just need a place to sleep ASAP. Finally had to bite the bullet, go for the most expensive hotel here that can accept foreigners. Just ridiculous. Been rejected from like 5 or 6 hotels. Even downloaded Chinese Airbnb, got one on there, put the passport in, went there, and they said, nope, can't do it. So here I am. I hate wasting money on hotel rooms because it's just a bed to sleep in and then leaving early in the morning. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you're traveling. Roll with those punches. So it is Tuesday morning, I think here. Just woke up, finally got some rest. Woke up a bit early at this hotel. Now I gotta do breakfast, get some work done, and the boss of the skate factory is gonna pick me up here, hopefully here in an hour or 2. So let's see what they got for breakfast. Huh? So they just told me I couldn't film in there, and probably because the breakfast was so bad. They were embarrassed by it. There's just nothing there, like a couple of vegetables. Probably the worst hotel breakfast I've seen in a while. Pretty sad. So headed out here, gonna find some good street food. It's probably gonna cost about nothing and be way better than that. Is that Crash Bandicoot? 那个包子怎么卖？
肉包子2块，菜包1块5。
肉包给我来一个。
那个饼给你做5块的，好不好？
哎，可以，那饼可以做2个蛋的吗？
拿一个肉包。
你这开业多久了？
我在这里啊。
啊。是哪里人？
我们啊。
是这边的吗？
不是这边的。
不是。喜欢这个城市吗？
喜欢呀。 我们在这待18年了，
哇塞，18年
很好的辣椒，
一点点，我他妈拉肚子了，
我们
不要太多了。
真的很好。
这个东西你多久吃一次？
我们天天吃。
喜欢阿姨喜欢吗？
阿姨也喜欢吃。
吃烦了吧？
对，吃烦，我吃不烦的，我们家儿子每天要吃。
Meat bun here. It's awful though, too much bread. So this is like a Chinese breakfast burrito. Pretty good. This is pretty sick. So there's these posters all over this city that basically says deep cleaning the bad shit out of this city. So basically if you're a gangster or whatever, they're gonna fuck you up. 知道，早，你怎么样？嘿嘿嘿。So this is a big bulk sandblasting machine. It's actually a belt-driven one, so pieces come in here and come out perfectly smooth and nice. Woohoo! That feels good.
这里是一个喷漆的，这是成密封的，
是吧？
密封以后走进去就是一根从这里走进去喷漆，那边喷出来。
把那沙子给弄掉，是吧？Oh. They're getting off the sand from these pieces here before painting. Pretty cool. In here we've got the painting room completely automated. It's pretty dope. We can't go in, but check out how clean it is in here. All brand new factory, all brand new machines, everything. Pretty sweet. This is where the boards are made. So I've got behind me here the first Rampage deck with graphics on it. Check it out. Here we go. Ready? Oh, yes. I'm just in love with that. That looks so nice. So this is just a handmade sample here of the art, and everything after that is going to be machine applied, the grip tape here. So it'll be even nicer, but it's looking sweet so far. I cannot wait to see that on a completed deck. Wow. Yes, baby. I love it. 这么漂亮。So just finished things up here at the skateboard factory. Super interesting. Great to see things moving along. Finally got all the grips in. Boards are coming in soon. Production's really coming along. On top of that, had some really fantastic, interesting chats, you know, just about how we can do things better, how can we do better service, make the products even more reliable. So some really interesting updates in the works. Can't divulge too much yet, but stay tuned for more. Gonna be some really exciting stuff. And now we're driving to another part of this city to catch up with our bicycle factory where we make all the bikes, stuff like that. So gonna be a fun day. All right, guys, today's vlog is getting a bit too long. If you liked it, subscribe, hit the bell to see the next video first, and don't forget to comment if you like this. Tomorrow, we're going somewhere really cool, so hang tight, look out for the next video, and I will see you later.